Choosing the right project management software can feel like navigating a complex maze. Two titans often emerge in this arena: Smartsheet and Microsoft Project. Both offer robust features to help teams plan, execute, and track their projects, but they cater to different needs and preferences. As a project management expert, I'm here to break down their strengths and weaknesses in plain English, helping you decide which platform truly reigns supreme for your specific requirements. Think of it like choosing between a versatile Swiss Army knife, Smartsheet, and a more specialized toolkit, MS Project. Both can get the job done, but their approach and ideal use cases differ significantly. Smartsheet, the agile spreadsheet on steroids. At its heart, Smartsheet retains the familiar interface of a spreadsheet. This is its superpower. The intuitive grid-based layout makes it incredibly accessible, especially for teams already comfortable with tools like Excel or Google Sheets. However, don't let its simplicity fool you. Smartsheet layers powerful project management functionalities on top of this familiar foundation. Pros of Smartsheet: ease of use and adoption. This is where Smartsheet truly shines. The learning curve is gentle, allowing teams to get up and running quickly without extensive training. Its spreadsheet-like interface feels natural and intuitive for a wide range of users, making collaboration and adoption much smoother. Flexibility and customization. Smartsheet is incredibly adaptable. You can easily customize columns, views, and workflows to match your specific project needs. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns, IT deployments, or construction projects, Smartsheet can be tailored to fit. Collaboration powerhouse. Smartsheet excels in fostering team collaboration. Real-time co-editing, automated update requests, discussions directly linked to tasks, and easy sharing make it a fantastic platform for keeping everyone on the same page. Automation capabilities. Smartsheet's automation features are a game changer. You can automate repetitive tasks like sending reminders, updating statuses, and moving tasks based on predefined triggers. This saves valuable time and reduces the risk of human error. Integration ecosystem. Smartsheet boasts a wide array of integrations with other popular business tools, including Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Salesforce, and more. This allows for seamless data flow and eliminates the need for manual data entry across different platforms. Visualizations and reporting. While not as advanced as MS Project in complex charting, Smartsheet offers excellent visual representations of project data through Gantt charts, calendars, and card views. Its reporting capabilities are also robust, allowing you to create insightful dashboards and reports with ease. Cons of Smartsheet. Less granular resource management. While Smartsheet offers resource allocation features, it doesn't provide the same level of detailed resource leveling and optimization capabilities as MS Project. For projects with complex resource dependencies and constraints, this can be a limitation. Limited advanced project planning features. For highly intricate projects requiring critical path analysis, earned value management, EVM, and sophisticated what-if scenario planning, Smartsheet might fall short compared to MS Project's more specialized tools. Costs can scale quickly. Depending on the plan and the number of users, Smartsheet's pricing can become significant, especially for larger organizations. Microsoft Project, the robust workhorse for complex projects. Microsoft Project has long been the industry standard for professional project management. It's a powerful tool packed with features designed to handle the most complex and demanding projects.